you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.
So essentially what I have is at the bottom here, I have a 90-degree connector or 180-degree connector from a maker pipe, and I bring two pieces off to the side of that, tacked as a foot. Then I bring one piece off the top of this. This is 3/4 inch metal conduit. How tall you make this piece is going to determine how tall your gate can be. You add these, and then you put a crossbar. Use the standard maker pipe connector here. You put your panel here, and essentially you can just loosen up these maker pipe connectors and slide this up and down the rail to make this gate however high you want it. If you put it all the way to the bottom, took this panel off, it would essentially be a stand for a standard gate. The one right here behind me is about a normal height of an elevated gate. Its bottom is the same height at the top of a normal gate. So that's the stand. I have it on a couple of stakes, but before you even put the stakes down, when you're just laying out your course, you can slide this around. It will stand up on its own, all by itself. When you want to put your gate on top of it, then you simply use the 1-inch PVC normal gate, and it simply slides down over top of these side poles. There it is, you have an elevated gate. Super adjustable, moving around really easy to work with. This is a ladder obstacle. This uses the same principle. So this bottom piece is exactly the same as the stand I just showed you, except I added a panel to the side to make the opening on the bottom a gate. This part on top is again a 1-inch gate that slides down on top of that. On top of that gate, I simply just put the two flags on top, and just like that, you have a ladder. You can easily take this down. If you need to get something out of the top, you can slide this top gate right off there. You can repair it, you can put it back up without actually taking the entire structure down. The feet at the bottom give it a lot of stability for the wind to keep it from blowing over, so you don't need to use near as much tie downs as well. Here's another example to show how flexible this is. This is a much taller one. The bottom of this is almost 7 feet high. We wanted a taller gate come out of here, get you up higher. Super easy, as long as your poles are long enough. Slide this up and down as high or as short as you want.